Welcome to the Fortinus Events podcast series where industry pioneers and experts share insights on innovations, strategies, and trends shaping the future of transport and infrastructure. I'm your host Mitra. In today's episode, we will be discussing how Penetron future-proofs infrastructure with Hassan Khalil, Technical Sales Manager. Hassan brings deep expertise in civil engineering solutions covering waterproofing, flooring, fire stopping, and concrete repair. With an MBA in finance and management and of hands on project experience, he bridges technical knowledge with operational excellence. Hassan, it's such a pleasure to have you here. Welcome to the podcast.
Thank you so much. I'm also happy to be here.
Thank you. Now, let's begin with the first question. Let's start with your role. As technical manager at Penetron, how does your work contribute to today's transport infrastructure and construction challenges in the UAE?
Okay. As a technical manager at Penetron GCC, my role involves providing expert guidance on crystalline waterproofing solutions that are essential for addressing the unique challenges facing transport infrastructure in the UAE. With rapid expansion and the need of resilient structures, I collaborate closely with engineers and contractors to ensure that our products meet firm quality and performance standards. My focus is on delivering tailored solutions that enhance the durability and longevity of infrastructure projects, thereby contributing to the overall safety and efficiency of the transport network.
Thank you so much for sharing. That was amazing. Now, as you mentioned
Thank you.
about crystalline waterproofing technology, how does this innovation strengthen the long term durability of massive projects like ports, tunnels, or rail systems?
Okay, thank you for this question. I will demonstrate our technology here. It's a good opportunity. Concrete deterioration in general, including the corrosion of reinforcement steel, alkali silica reactions, and chemical attacks, is primarily caused by water infiltrating into the concrete.
Mhm.
Keeping water out significantly out of the concrete enhances the concrete's durability and service life. Penetron is an integral crystalline waterproofing and concrete protection system that provides fully impermeable, durable, and self-healing concrete. This treated concrete becomes a water barrier without the need for any traditional surface applied waterproofing methods like membranes and coatings. As a result, Penetron has become preferred choice for protecting concrete in critical environments against major forms of deterioration that I mentioned, while enhancing the overall durability. With over than 40 years of experience, Penetron offers a wide range of solutions, including waterproofing through capillary crystallization. Our crystalline waterproofing technology penetrates concrete to form a crystalline structure that blocks water pathways in all ways. This not only prevents water ingress, but also
Mhm.
improves durability by enhancing concrete properties and performance in regard to permeability reduction under hydrostatic conditions, chemical attack by various chemicals such as chlorides, sulfates, and
Mhm.
acids, prevents corrosion, carbonation, as well as provides self-healing capabilities of cracks and capillaries for concrete to up to zero point 0.5 millimeter that may develop over time, enhancing the overall durability of the structure. In large-scale projects like ports and tunnels, where harsh conditions are common, our solution significantly extends the lifespan of the structure by reducing maintenance needs and ensuring water tightness. We help project owners achieve long-term cost savings and operational efficiency.
Thank you so much for such a detailed explanation on
Thank
crystalline
you.
waterproofing. Now,
Thank
on
you.
to our next question. The Gulf's desert climate brings extreme heat and salinity. What are the biggest waterproofing or concrete protection challenges you encounter, and how does your team address them?
Okay, actually, in desert climates, the extreme temperature fluctuations and high evaporation rates pose significant challenges to concrete durability and waterproofing.
Mhm.
Rapid drying can lead to cracking and to compromised waterproofing integrity. To address such issues, our team emphasizes the importance of using our crystalline technology in conjunction with effective curing practices that enhance
Mhm.
the concrete resistance to thermal stresses and moisture loss, ensuring that the structure remains durable and waterproof even in harsh environments as in the
Mhm.
Gulf region.
Mhm. Thank you so much for sharing that. That was a really good detailed explanation again. Now,
Thank you.
next question. Sustainability is a major focus at the summit. How does Penetron Innovations help reduce environmental impact or extend infrastructure life?
Yes. Actually, sustainability is the core of Pentron's innovations. Our crystalline waterproofing technology not only extends the lifespan of concrete, as I mentioned previously,
Mhm.
but also reduces the need for frequent repairs and replacements, which in turn minimizes resource consumption and waste generation.
Mhm.
All penetronic crystalline materials have zero VOC, zero volatile organic compounds, which means they do not emit harmful chemicals into the environment, contributing to better indoor quality and reducing the impact on human health. Furthermore, as I also mentioned previously, by preventing water infiltration, we help maintain the structural integrity of buildings. Our solutions contribute to green building certifications and align with the UAE sustainability goals, promoting environmentally responsible contractor practices. All our products are green certified and
Mhm.
emit zero VOC emissions.
Thank you so much for sharing that with us. Now,
Thank you.
on to our next question. Could you share a recent UAE or regional project where Penetron's solutions made a significant difference in performance or cost efficiency?
Yes, thank you for your question again. One of the notable projects actually we accomplished recently is the Kayan Tower project in Riyadh, KSA, where Prentron crystalline technology was incorporated in the concrete works of a five-basement substructure at a dosage rate of 1% to the cementing material weight of the mixed design, as per our product datasheet. Penetron solutions were used as a standalone system and resulted in significant enhancement in water resistance and durability. The successful implementation not only improved the project's performance, but also demonstrated the cost effectiveness of advanced waterproofing solutions in large scale deep excavation projects. We are talking about a five basement project compared to conventional methods, particularly in terms of workmanship and
Mhm.
sequencing costs. With penetronic crystalline admixture, concrete can be cast and cured in a single step. We are casting the concrete and it's
Mhm.
waterproofed in a single step, which reduces the construction schedule by weeks,
Mm.
eliminating the need to wait for waterproofing installations. This approach streamlines construction by removing an entire trade. We are removing completely conventional membranes application and
Mhm.
replacing them with this crystalline technology. So,
Mhm.
as I said, this approach streamlines construction by removing an entire trade, providing a value engineering solution that saves money without compromising on the performance.
Wow, amazing. Thank you so much for sharing that with us.
Most
Now,
welcome.
on to our final question. Finally, as leaders gather to discuss future proofing construction, what innovations or best practices will define the next decade in this region?
Actually, the next decade of construction in the region will focus on innovations that emphasize resilience, sustainability, and efficiency. Important trends will include using smart technologies to monitor structures in real time, advanced materials that improve durability, and sustainable practices like reusing and recycling materials.
Mhm.
Working together with all shareholders early in the region process will also be key to solving complex challenges. As we look
Mhm.
ahead, adopting these innovations will be crucial for ensuring our infrastructure is ready to be for a rapidly changing environment in the nearest future.
Amazing. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. And yeah, so Hassan, this has been such an insightful conversation. We are also excited to have Penetron as our gold sponsor at the second annual Transport Infrastructure Construction Summit, UAE 2025, happening this 21st to 22nd October in Abu Dhabi. Thank you so much for joining us today and sharing your
Thank you so
perspective.
much. Thank you so much. Thank you so
And
much.
thank you to our listeners for tuning in to the Fortinus Events Global Podcast Series. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more conversations with leaders shaping the future of infrastructure and sustainability. See you at the summit. Bye bye.